Today we are looking at a premium Wi-Fi 6 router from TP-Link called the Archer AX90. This is even more powerful than the previous Archer AX73 that promises faster speeds, better coverage and increased capacity. Why? Let's find out.
Now, the Archer AX73 we reviewed previously is a dual-band Wi-Fi 6 router. On the other hand, this Archer AX90 has 3 Wi-Fi 6 bands. You're getting one 2.4 GHz and two 5 GHz bands. Each band works on separate channels, so if you're living in a house with many devices that need internet connection, the extra band will help in maintaining a high-speed performance. That's not all. In addition to offering up to 6.6 gigabits per second of Wi-Fi speed, the Archer AX90 also has an extra 2.5 gigabits per second wide area network port, so if you have an internet subscription plan that is more than 1 gigabits per second, this new port will be better. You're also getting 3 LAN ports, and for file sharing, TP-Link also added an extra USB port, so you're getting 2 in total. The Archer AX90 is a bulkier router too. You get a lot of ventilation holes from this edgy design, and it comes with 8 thick antennas, each stamped with TP-Link's logo. These antennas are paired with beamforming technology to ensure that you get a wider coverage, and so far I've had no issues with Wi-Fi at all when testing in a 2-story house that's about 1,700 square feet. The Archer AX90 is also similar with the AX73 in the sense that it also has OFDMA, Mu-MIMO technologies, 160 MHz bandwidth, and also 1024 QAM. However, it is powered by a stronger 1.5 GHz quad-core CPU, which will help when your router is handling a heavier workload or a higher traffic. As with many of the newer routers, the Archer AX90 can be easily configured as long as you download the free Tether app. You'll need an account, so do register if you don't have one, and once you are logged in, just follow the step-by-step instructions, and you'll be done with it within 15 minutes. If your devices support Wi-Fi 6, then you'll be able to enjoy faster speeds as compared to your older devices that only support up to Wi-Fi 5. With this router, you can also utilize your full Wi-Fi speed even when there are many devices connected at the same time. I've tried to stream 4K videos on a few different devices at once, and all of them played smoothly, so I call that a win. Another reason why the Archer AX90 is a good Wi-Fi 6 router is because of its safety features. This router comes with HomeShield that is powered by Avira, an antivirus software company. More importantly, the AX90 is the first TP-Link router that protects your IoT smart home devices. We've often heard news of hackers hacking through your surveillance cameras and whatnot, but with the new HomeShield, you can get reports, threat alerts, and advanced warnings if your security has been breached. You can even upgrade to HomeShield Pro if you want higher security. With HomeShield Pro, you'll get extra features like malicious content filtering, DDoS protection, and comprehensive reports with up to 30 days of insight. If you're a parent, you can also set time limits for each user, pause their internet, block websites, and check each user's traffic statistics. The Archer AX90 also has a WPA3 encryption that protects against weaker passwords, and with its WPA3/WPA2 mixed security mode, it can provide protection to devices that don't support WPA3 protocol.
For a 699 ringgit Wi-Fi 6 router, the Archer AX90 is performing as good as expected. It's an overkill if you're just using it at home and you have a small family, but if you're using it for the office or just anywhere with more users and devices, like at least 20 to 30, then the Archer AX90 will be a worthy purchase. Otherwise, the Archer AX73 is also a good purchase for those of you who don't need a router as beastie as the AX90. So that's it for our video today. Let us know if you have more questions regarding the AX90 and I'll try my best to answer you. As usual, remember to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one.